This system is fun because you get to solve it. So I hope you recognize that this is elimination. So I'm just going to write that for myself, elimination. The variables are lined up how we like them. So I'm going to put a 1 in front of this, and I'm going to think about how I could cancel out my variables. So my variables that I could cancel, I could either cancel my x's or I could cancel my y's. Because my y's are already negative in the top one, I'm going to choose to cancel my y's, and I'll multiply the bottom one by 3. Now, why do I do that? Because when I share or distribute my 3, I end up with 3x plus 6y equals 3 times 14 gives me 42. My first equation, I'll just move it down below, would be 2x minus 6y equals negative 12. So remember, with elimination, you add, and my positive 6y and negative 6y, they're additive inverses. They cancel out. So I have 5x equals 30. 42 minus 12 gives me 30. So I would divide by 5, and I'll have x equals 6. So that's the first part. The second part, to find y, you can plug back into either equation. So I'll just erase right now so you can see the original equations. And I would plug back in. I'm going to choose the second one because there's not a single negative there. So you have your x plus 2y equals 14. I'll replace my x with 6. So I would subtract 6 from both sides, giving me 2y equals 8. And then I'll divide both sides by 2 and get y equals 4. It said solve, so remember you want to put that in an ordered pair, 6, 4. That is where the two lines cross. So that is their solution point.